Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury featured in Garnet Metallic with a Cirrus interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, hands-free power liftgate, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speakers down below, and the liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar, and we can hop to the side. This to the left, we have our power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. And on the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn on the vehicle and check out the infotainment system. Starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Cirrus XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And throwing it in reverse, we have our backup camera. Below that, we have the climate controls with heated front seats, some extra storage. Infotainment system controls with 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. We have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that we have the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the universal garage opener and power sunroof controls. Here is the sunroof. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps, and chrome door handles with keyless entry. Privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. You can also see the all-wheel drive there. To open up the back, we can simply double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here, rear storage cover for some added privacy. That's on either side for extra visibility. We also have some hidden storage down below. And we can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra space. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing that button there. Now checking out the rear interior, here's a door with powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. Back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle we have our rear vents, and below that is 2 USBs. Up top, of course, we have handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of this power sunroof, and here's the rest of the vehicle. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2021 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.